Now today it is the 6th of October 2020 and here's Tilkankatu, Tilkagatan 6, take a C in Pikku-Huopalahti, Helsinki, Finland. And here's another one, original Kone elevator, the capacity is 4 per 325 grams. Now let's go to 1992, turning 30 years old in 2022. The serial number is H67124. This one doesn't have any mat inside. Staircase 8 has a mat, so we couldn't see the original floor, but here we can see it completely. 5 floors. It will be inspected in next year, 2021. Amazing sound here.
Yeah.
Amazing smell also.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was completed in 1993, but I'm gonna check the information later.
Yeah.
And the Spar, the grocery store, was actually in this same building as this. Used to be there. Very fresh Kone but still in good condition.
Yeah.
But floor 5 is really torn. Could have been changed to a spare part. It is great that they're maintained by Kone.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna use this.
Yeah.
This one rod is enough.